Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at these lights that I just got. They were inexpensive and I just wanted to bring some light into my garage without spending a lot of money. And this is what they look like. And they are LED light fixtures. So here is a list of what you get. And it's a pack of 2. And here is the installation instructions. And basically here is the plug. So just plug them in, and if you have a switch you can turn them on from there. If not, they come with this switch that you could turn on and off. And on one side there's nothing there, and then on the opposite side they do have a plug, so you can perhaps plug the second one onto the first one. And they look very simple, but I just want to get some light in my garage because one of the lights that I had, it's not working anymore, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money to replace it. And on each end it has this. You can put a screw on the ceiling or perhaps on the wall and put this on there, as well as on the other side. You also have this chain, and actually I think there's 2 chains in here. Here's the 2 chains that perhaps you can hang them from. Then you have these 2 hooks. And I think this light comes with the same thing. So you can have a chain on each side. Perhaps use the hooks. Perhaps use these. And it comes with, I think it's supposed to come with 2 screws. Maybe the other one is somewhere in here. So here is the way it comes in. The hardware comes in a bag, and this one's open, so that's why I think I'm missing one of the screws. And when I come in the garage, I have this motion detection light that turns on, and as you can see, it's kind of dark when the lights are off. And I only have the right side on, the left side stopped working. So I'm going to take that off and replace it with the ones that we just got. So this is what it looks like beforehand. Here is one. And here are both of them on. It's much brighter with both of them. To do the surface mount, you could put the bracket with the screw onto the ceiling and then clip onto the light. What I did is I put 2 screws, one on each side with the right measurement, and then I put the light on and then push the light over to one side. That's how it's on there now. And I have a light switch to turn them on and off. And I wanted it to be that high. If it was somewhere else, I could probably use the chain, but because I'm using it in the garage, I wanted it to be up there. The lights are 4 feet in length. They emit 4,400 lumens out of 5,000 K daylight white or cool white. They only use 42 watts, and you can link up to 6 lights. These 2 and 4 more. And I think for this installation 2 is enough. Of course, if I'm working on my car or whatever else, then perhaps I might put 2 more up here. But I have plenty of lights that I can put down here. But for now, these lights work perfect, and they were inexpensive. And I'll put the link on where you can get these lights. Of course, there are other options. These are the ones that I liked. And I saw a few good reviews, and they're bright, and I think they have a 5-year warranty. So they're easy to install, they are bright, and best of all, of good value. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.